Meaning of J J Thomson.
J J Thomson.
J J Thomson.
J J Thomson.
J J Thomson. J J Thomson refers to Sir Joseph John Thomson, a British physicist who lived from 1856 to 1940. He is best known for his discovery of the electron in 1897, which earned him a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1906. Thomson also made significant contributions to the understanding of cathode rays and the nature of electric discharge in gases, which ultimately led to the development of modern electronics. He is often referred to as the father of modern atomic and subatomic physics.